Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March the 18th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, cut the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the satellite loop across the lower 48. You can see the storm system moving across the country. Also, we're going to take a look at your local forecast as well for your Thursday and Friday. Also take a look at the current watch and warning advisory map currently across the nation. Also take a look at the storm prediction centers. We got a little area of general thunderstorms to talk about in tonight's video. And we're going to take a look at the next 16 days snowfall totals over the forecast area. And something could be brewing for the southeast. Could bring a little snow to a portion of the southeast. But I would not buy into it yet. The computer model on the GFS is still kind of been hitting at something for the past couple of runs. Something around the 28th or 29th could affect the Carolinas on up into the northeastern U.S. Something I will keep an eye on, but right now I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's still well over a week away. It's on the 28th and 29th time frame for this month, but we will continue to monitor it and see what happens. But I figured by the time it gets here, it'll be all disappeared by then, but we'll show you that just for fun. See what the forecast, the GFS model is showing. But if it consistently showing it, then I'll get more confident in it. But right now it's like a fantasy run to me right now. I'm not really into it, not yet, but I'm just going to show it to you just for fun, so that way you get a chance to see where I'm talking about where the snowfall will occur. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got one storm system here off the Atlantic coastal waters in the Atlantic, stretching down toward the Bahamas, also into Cuba. That will continue to exit stage east. Got a little clipper system here moving across the northern Gulf. Got another little clipper system here moving across the Carolina. Could bring a few light rain showers or just mainly Virga across the area, but would not rule out a sprinkle or two as that system continues to push on to the south and east. Alright, got another system up here, portions of the mid New Brunswick back into Maine, southeast Canada, also back down in towards areas of West Virginia, maybe bringing a few snow showers or flurries to you guys as well, a bit around Minnesota. And got another atmospheric river moving into the southwestern U.S. If you see my rainfall total map last night, you can see that the heavy precipitation was over in the Washington state up toward British Columbia. You can see a lot of activity in that area. Maybe 5 to 7, maybe 8 inches of rain over the next 7 days. Make sure you check that video out as well if you would like to see the rainfall totals for your local area across the lower 48. But you can see that activity moving across Montana through the Dakota, and then kind of moving to the south with a high pressure ridge, bringing some very hot temperatures over across the southwestern U.S. with temperatures well into the 100s and heat index values up into the triple digits as well, by pushing maybe 105 to as high as 115 in some areas. So a lot of active weather going across the lower 48 as we speak. Alright, let's move on into your local forecast now. We're going to take a look at your Thursday outlook, and it should roll out something like this across the board. And here we go. Alright, we got a little bit of shower activity in Washington, Oregon State, mixed precipitation there as well, stretching to Idaho and Montana. Critical fire weather here in Wyoming. Then we got some mixed precipitation across South Canada, northern Minnesota through Wisconsin to Illinois to Indiana, also eastern Tennessee, and also into western North Carolina. A bit in upstate South Carolina as well, back into West Virginia, all the way up into areas of New York State, northern Vermont State, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Also got some freezing rain up here in portions of Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, northern Michigan, and a little bit up towards the northwestern shores of Lake Superior as well. A little bit of thunderstorms and shower for east coast of Florida toward the Florida Keys. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's try to roll on into your Friday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here across the board. Okay, still waiting. Here we go. Alright, we got some shower activity in Washington, Oregon State, and the coastal water stretching in Idaho and Montana. Got some mixed precipitation there as well in Washington, northern Idaho, and also Montana. A little bit of shower activity in northeastern Montana and southern Canada. Got shower activity for a portion of Michigan, Pennsylvania to Virginia, over toward DC, Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey area. Some thunderstorms and showers over Ohio and West Virginia. A little bit northeast portion of Kentucky. We got mixed precipitation up here around Lake Superior, Lake Harris, northern Michigan. Also into areas of New York State. Also Rhode Island up towards Maine. A little bit of snow in northern Maine as well. And also toward Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. We got a little bit of mixed precipitation as well. A little bit of shower activity on the east coast of Florida. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on into the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it's going to look something like this here across the board. Alrighty, we got frost advisories. You've got one freeze warning across southeast North Carolina, but elsewhere we've got frost advisory for South Carolina, Georgia, portions of Alabama. And also we have lots of red flag warnings to talk about in Colorado to Nebraska to Wyoming, and also a little bit in southwestern areas of South Dakota. High wind warnings up in areas of Montana. Avalanche warnings in northwest Montana. Also portions of Washington State. Hydro issues there as well. So we got some special weather statements and some fire weather concerns. Red flag warnings, that is, over areas of Oregon. You can see in orange here we have areas of heat advisories in the coastal communities of California, Southern Nevada, even in the burgundy color here across Southern California, and also into areas of Arizona. We have some excessive heat warnings as well. And let me see what is it here in, okay, see what we got here. Try to find that in Louisiana. I think that is a extreme fire danger statement here for you guys in Louisiana for that one county there. Alright, also for northern Michigan, also we have some special weather statements for you guys as well. Smoke rat advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Massachusetts coast, Outer Banks of North Carolina, southern Georgia, South Carolina coast to the Florida Keys, a little bit in southwestern Florida. Also up here in Washington State, Hawaii and Chain Island, we have some high wind warnings in the yellow, high surf advisory around the coastal areas. Some smoke rat advisories is storm warnings. I mean, not storm warning, freezing spray warnings around the Alaska region. And in the purple, we have winter weather advisory, winter storm watches to the north, and we have one little area of winter storm warning. All right, let's show you that there thunderstorm outlook for day number 3. And it should roll out this here. You can see this little area here from Charleston, West Virginia to Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Pittsburgh. Just some general thunderstorms expected there. Elsewhere, don't see much activity. Could be a little bit of activity right along the east coast of Florida as well in the special marine warning areas. Alright, now here's a look at the snowfall totals. Here's that snowfall I seen right here across the Carolinas. You can see here we got about maybe anywhere from maybe a couple inches of snow across the South Carolina, but you can see heavier totals in the eastern North Carolina, across North Carolina, even the mountains of North Carolina, Tennessee border, even up toward the Virginia, Tennessee, Kentucky border, that is. A little bit of activity in West Virginia. Then the heavier snows up here across Canada, well, from southwestern Canada, central Canada, all the way to southeast Canada, over toward Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, you're included, New Brunswick, also Newfoundland. And then heavy snow out west in Washington, Oregon, and Northern California, and also portions of Idaho, Wyoming, and also Colorado regions, and also up here around the Great Lakes region as well. But elsewhere, it looks like maybe around a dusting to maybe a few inches of snow elsewhere across the board. But I'm going to keep an update on this here. It showed a little more snow earlier today across the Carolinas, Georgia. You can see a little bit of activity across North Georgia, Alabama, and also Mississippi. Maybe a couple inches of snow there that system showing. But I will keep you up to date. This here just for fun. Like I said, don't take it. Say, hey, we're going to get snow at this certain time. That's probably not going to pan out. But if it consistently shows this activity as we get closer to the event, then I will put my trust and hope into it a little bit better. So, but I'll keep you up to date. See what happens if we do get a winter storm again toward late March. I will keep you up to date. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.